Hi boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Howells, and if your schedule has my name on it, I will be your cooking and sewing teacher. When you are in the cooking portion of the class, it does not matter if you have myself or Mrs. LeBar. In 6th grade, we are going to be focusing on things like my plate. In 7th grade, we are going to focus on things like the importance of breakfast. And in 8th grade, we are going to be focusing on how the nutrients affect our body.
And hi, I'm Mrs. LeBar. I am the other family consumer science teacher. If you or your child has Mrs. LeBar on their schedule, you'll be seeing me. Over in the sewing room, we're going to be making some projects like we have in the past. If your child is in 6th grade, we're going to make a pillow. If your child is in 7th grade, we're going to be making a bag. If your child is in 8th grade, we are working together on a project to make what we're calling Not So Ugly quilts. You will have the option of either buying the material or bringing in something from home, so that way we can reuse, recycle, and repurpose things. And that's pretty much what a family consumer science class is. Thanks. Have a good night.
Hello, East Hills parents. I'm Mrs. McDonald and I teach Gifted Seminar for grades 6, 7, and 8. The seminar students usually come to me every other day, but this year, because of the scheduling and A through L coming on Tuesdays and Thursdays and M through Z coming on Wednesdays and Fridays, it's a little easier for me to see them together as a group all at one time. So this year I am going to be seeing all of the A to L's on a Thursday and all the M to Z's on a Friday. We will still be covering all the things that we normally do in class for each grade level, such as critical thinking skills, creative thinking skills, and problem solving skills. And I have also provided Wise Owl work packets for all the students in the various grade levels to help keep them challenged and creatively thinking. If you have any questions about the Gifted Seminar program, feel free to email me at tmcdonald@basdschools.org. I'm looking forward to another fun year with my seminar kids. Take care.
Hello, East Hills. This is Miss Paulina Collazo, and I am one of the computer technology teachers here at East Hills. I'm really excited to see you all this fall, whether it's virtually or in class.
Hi everybody, this is Mr. Seneca. Welcome back to a new school year. I'm really excited to be back and get to know you guys, whether it be through e-classroom or in person, whether you're hybrid. A lot of fun things we got in store for this year, especially the 8th graders. A whole bunch of new stuff we're going to do with you guys that I think you're going to be excited about.
Hi, I'm Miss Mahalik and I teach Spanish here at East Hills, and I'm in room 160.
Hello, my name is Mr. Oyer. I also teach Spanish and I am located in room 156.
Hi, I'm Frau Richards, the German teacher, and I'm in room 138.
I'm Mrs. Becker. I'm the French teacher and I'm in room 118. So we're going to introduce you to some of the different grades and what they do in world language class. We'll start with 6th grade. And 6th grade has 3 trimesters, so they take each language for a few months, and at the end of 6th grade they choose a language for grades 7 and 8. So then they would have a little bit of experience in each language, and then by the time April comes around they want to select one language to focus on in 7th and 8th grade. It's an exploratory course, so it's supposed to be fun. We incorporate culture as much as possible, and some of the basic topics that we discuss are numbers, greetings, colors, weathers and seasons, and how to express the date.
In 7th and 8th grade, they make up level 1 of the language, and each of the courses is set up by thematic unit. So we have such themes as activities that I like to do, clothing and shopping, locations and places around town, or describing your day in school. we focus on both vocabulary and grammar. We use the correct grammatical terminology. We use nouns, verbs, adjectives, definite articles, and so on. And we make sure that we cover all 4 aspects of the language. So we're doing speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Everything they do at the high school and everything they'll need to continue at the high school, we do at the middle school, just on a smaller scale. And of course, we, like Courtney mentioned, incorporate culture throughout all of our lessons throughout the year.
For remote learning, all of the lessons for both hybrid and e-classroom students will be posted on Monday mornings. Each week, the students will have 3 lessons. We ask that one of those lessons is saved to be completed while they're at school. And all assignments and assessments need to be turned in by noon the following Monday. For e-classroom students, the Zoom schedule for grade 6 is 12:50 to 1:10. Grade 7 is 1:40 to 2 o'clock, and grade 8 is 2:55 to 3:15. If you guys have any questions at all throughout the week, please reach out to any of us via email or private Schoology message.
For our 8th graders that have just moved to the district or did not have space in their schedule for exploratory language in grade 6, we have a special class called World Cultures, which will be a lot like the 6th grade class, but it will be broken into 2 semesters. But one semester will be pretty much just the culture with holidays, traditions, food, clothing, the fun stuff everyone wants to learn. And the other semester will be a rotation of all 3 languages we offer: German, French, and Spanish. And again, it's meant to be fun, just like exploratory, for those who didn't have it before. And everyone can have a great experience with all 3 languages before they have to pick one for high school.
Thanks so much for joining us, and have a great evening.
Hi, my name is Katie Stager.
I'm Larry Court.
And I'm Moitan.
And we are the 3 art
teachers.
Yeah, we're the 3 art teachers here at East Hills. By now, your child should have a folder that looks similar to us, similar to this that we put together. There is in here paper that they have to use for all their projects and their warm-ups, and other handouts that they will need to help them complete their projects.
Also, you want to make sure that you keep looking at Schoology to keep track of everything when you're not in class, or if you're on the e-learning. We're posting for each of the different groups so that they know what's going on.
And as far as supplies go, if your student is a hybrid student and they're coming to school, we have supplies for them to use while they are here. They're also welcome to bring in their own supplies if they want to use their own stuff, but they can't take the supplies that we have here home. So therefore, you want to make sure that your children have supplies to use while they are at home when they're working on finishing their projects.
All right, well, thanks so much for tuning in, and we hope your child has a great year.
Bye.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mr. Q Lett, and I'm also known as Mr. Q here at East Hills. I teach general music classes. I also am one of the directors of the 6th grade chorus and the guitar ensemble at East Hills. If you need to contact me, please send me an email anytime.
This is my first year here at East Hills Middle School. I will be teaching 6th, 7th, and 8th grade general music classes. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions.
Hi, I'm Miss Van Orden. I teach general music, 6th through 8. I also teach 7th and 8th grade choir, and this year I am the director for Matilda the Musical, which auditions are on September 14th. And if you have any questions, you can email me at kvanorden@basdschools.org.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Davies, and I'm the 6th through 8th grade instrumental director here at East Hills Middle School. I teach band and orchestra. In our program, we also have a color guard. If you're interested in joining us this year, please send me an email at cdavies@basdschools.org. We hope you join us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Weiss, the reading specialist at East Hills Middle School, and I teach a course called Lit Development. This year, my students will be using a computer-based program called Lexia Power Up that meets each student at their specific level. The activities in Power Up are designed to support our current ELA curriculum, and it focuses on developing skills in 3 essential areas that are going to help your student become a proficient reader: word study, grammar, and comprehension. Each week, there'll be a weekly usage target with a set number of minutes that each reader should be participating in our online program. The weekly target will decrease over time as your reader makes progress, so encourage your reader to meet or beat the weekly usage target. Readers are rewarded for strong and consistent work by earning streaks. Ask your reader what their highest streak was today. Every time students log in, they're making progress. My job as the reading specialist is to provide support and reteaching on the days that they're present at East Hills or when they log in for their Zoom calls. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you and enjoy your evening.
My name is Mr. Schumann, and I teach industrial technology at East Hills Middle School. Tonight, I wanted to give you a brief overview of some of the various projects that your kids will be completing at East Hills. The first image shows examples of projects completed at the 6th grade level. In 6th grade, students will learn the problem-solving process, apply academic concepts, and utilize analytical thinking to complete the project. There is also an emphasis placed on tool and machine safety. The next image shows examples of the 7th grade puzzle project. This project builds on skills learned at the 6th grade level and utilizes a variety of new tools and machines to complete it. This last image shows examples of the 8th grade letter holder. This project also builds on skills learned in previous years and incorporates some new woodworking techniques. I look forward to working with all your kids this year. Thank you and have a great evening.
I'm Mrs. Dennis, and I'm the librarian at East Hills. In order to keep your students safe this year, the library will not be open to browse for books, but students will be able to request books on the library website using a Google form. When they fill out the Google form, I will then deliver the books to their classroom on the days that they're in school. When students are done with their materials, they will return them to a drop box in their grade level hallway. Those books will then wait for a certain amount of time and then be recirculated when they're ready. So please have your child send me an email if they have any questions about this process, or if they're not sure how to pick a book that they'll enjoy and is right for them, tell them to reach out to me as well. In the past, I've welcomed students into the library for innovation hours, for reading Olympics, and for lessons that support their curriculum. I can't wait to see them in the library again soon. Good night.
Hello, we are your health fitness team. I'm Mr. Sparks.
I'm Mrs. Repshire. I'm Mrs. Ferry.
And I'm Mr. Googe.
We look forward to working with your child this school year and ask that you reach out to us with any questions or concerns. Our goal is to provide a safe and enjoyable experience for your child.
We will not use locker rooms this year, and we ask students to wear sneakers on the day they have our class.
We will make every effort to bring students outside for class, weather permitting, of course. We ask that students come to class prepared for appropriate weather conditions outside.
Students' assignments will be posted in Schoology on Mondays by 9 a.m. and are due on Friday by 5 p.m. Also, please check Schoology regularly for announcements.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hi parents and guardians, welcome to Open House. My name is Gina Limpar. I am the 6th grade guidance counselor this year. We just wanted to introduce the guidance staff and tell a little bit about what we do on a daily basis.
My name is Ronnie Leon and I am the 7th grade guidance counselor here at East Hills.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sarah Talianic, and I'm filling in for Megan Morgan as the 8th grade counselor until the beginning of November.
Hi, I'm Tara McGough. I just transferred from Freedom High School, and I will be working with all grade levels.
Just a brief overview about our guidance office. We are here to meet with your children for any issues they may have, social, emotional, academic concerns. We help a lot of times with friendship issues, problems with peers. So we're here if you need us. Please feel free to reach out to us should you need anything.
Like Ms. Limpar said, we love hearing from you. We invite you to communicate with us openly. If you don't know our direct extension or our email address, you can find it on the school district website. And we love having your phone calls. We love answering your emails, and we're always here to help.
To add to what Mr. Leon said, you can reach me at Megan Morgan's extension. So I have the same phone extension if you do call me. And my email would be the stalianic@basdschools.org. So here in the counseling office, we also have a number of programs to support students and families, such as Backpack Pals and the Giving Tree during the holidays. And we're always happy to help to connect families with community resources.
So if you met with Mrs. Schwartz at all last year, as if you're a 7th or 8th grade parent, I took over for her. My extension is what hers was, 44914. And new to East Hills this year is the Charger Block. We will be dropping into students during the Charger Block to talk about college and career planning and exploring interests using a program called Naviance, and we will be assigning tasks to your students and helping assist them not only with the transition from 5th grade to 6th grade, but also 8th graders transitioning into the high school. So Naviance is a neat program that I use at the high school level, and I look forward to using it at the middle school level.
Thank you, everyone. We look forward to meeting with your students this year, and we know it's going to be a little bit of a crazy year, but please don't hesitate to let us know if there's anything we can do to help support your children or you as a family. Take care. Have a great night.